Hello, dear students. I am Dr. Mahesh Naik. Yes. In this video class, we will discuss and analyze how to write a report. That means this class is about report writing, and this class is prepared on the basis of the information or content given in the workbook Practicing Writing Skills. Dear students, in the last class regarding this practicing writing skills, we learned about the essentials of job application and CV. That means the contents of job application and CV we discussed in the last class. Along with that, we also discussed how to write a good job application and a curriculum vitae. Okay, so I hope now you know or you are able to write a good job application letter and curriculum vitae. Okay, in this class, we are going to learn, of course, about how to write a good report. And if we look at the objectives of this class, it has two objectives. The first one is to make the students understand the meaning of a report. Okay, that means this class will uh, focus or will enlighten you on the meaning of a report. Along with that, another objective is there to enhance their knowledge. Of course, you might have some knowledge about report writing, but this class aims at enhancing your knowledge to write a good report, an impressive report. Okay. Okay, fine. Now let us have a look at meaning of a report or some information about a report. A report is a piece of writing. Look at this is a piece of writing, just like any other writing. Okay, it's a piece of writing. A report, of course, a piece of writing, but it presents information on an event, situation, or process. In this report, there is information about an event or situation or process. Okay, ಈ piece of writing ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಇರ್ತಾವೆ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಈವೆಂಟ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಘಟನೆ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಸಿಚುಯೇಷನ್ ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಆ ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್ನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. It must be written in clear, simple language. Yes, the language used to write a report should be clear and simple. Okay, so that the target audience should understand. Okay, and in direct style. It should be in direct style. We should not beat about the bush. Okay, so ನೇರವಾಗಿ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. Yes, there are three kinds of report. Okay, so here are these reports: newspaper reports and general reports. The first category, newspaper reports and general reports. And of course, dear students, in this class, we are focusing on one general report. Okay, one general report. ಈ ತರಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಜನರಲ್ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ಅನಲೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. Second type of report is reports of scientific experimentation. That means if you do some experiment, you will write a report on that experiment. That is a scientific experimentation report. Official reports, okay, used in government offices especially. A general report, okay, for example, any report for that matter, but especially a general report because we are going to analyze a general report, usually contains more than one paragraph. Okay, usually contains more than one paragraph. A report is about more than one paragraph. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಪ್ಯಾರಾಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಗಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಒಂದು ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್. Okay, so general reports begin with an introductory paragraph. Okay, so in the first paragraph, introduction about the event you are going to present the report or write the report is there. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೊದಲನೇ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಅಥವಾ ಬರೀತಾ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Containing. So in that introduction, or in that paragraph, generally we write about basic information about the club. For example, club means here a literary club, cultural club, sports club, just like that. Okay, committee. Okay, committees like a human rights committee or cultural committee or some other okay, blood donation committee, committees like that. association. Okay, that means cultural association or some other association that you form in your college or institution. Okay, so you write about those things. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು ಸಮಿತಿ ಅಥವಾ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಅಂತ ನೀವೇನಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಾಲೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಕಂಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಈವೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನೀವು ಮಾಹಿತಿಯನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಬಗ್ಗೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಕಲ್ಚರಲ್ ಕಮಿಟಿ ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಂತರ ನೀವು ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ ಈವೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು. ಸೊ ಅಲಾಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ದಿಸ್ information, venue, that means place, date and time of the reported event. Okay, so you will give these details. ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟ ಸಮಿತಿಯ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಆ ಸಮಿತಿಯು ಏರ್ಪಡಿಸಿದಂತಹ ಈವೆಂಟ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ, ಘಟನೆಯ ಬಗ್ಗೆ, ಸ್ಥಳ, ದಿನಾಂಕ, ಸಮಯ ಅದನ್ನು ಬರೀತೀರಾ, ಎಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ಇನ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಗ್ರಾಫ್. The next paragraph or paragraphs. Okay, first paragraph ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ there may be one paragraph or two paragraphs or maybe three. So in those paragraph or paragraphs, okay, you describe the event more detail, in more detail. Okay, you describe the event giving more details about that. ನಂತರದ paragraph ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಮಾಹಿತಿಯನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ. Usually a report is written in past tense. ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಒಂದು ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿತೀವಿ, ಭೂತಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿತೀವಿ. Okay. Right, yes. Now let us analyze or dissect or look at a model report. And this report is on an inter-college dance competition. Okay, ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಕಾಲೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಇಂಟರ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್ ಏರ್ಪಡಿಸಿ ಅದಾಗ ಮುಗಿದು ಹೋಗಿದೆ ಆ ಈವೆಂಟು, ಅದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಬರೀತಾ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು observe the details very carefully. Okay, which detail has come first and which has followed that, and then which detail has been given here. ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾವ ಯಾವ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಮೊದಲು ನಂತರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡಲಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಗಮನಿಸಬೇಕು ನಾವು. ರೈಟ್. Vedavati Government First Grade College has a very active cultural club. That means you are writing about your cultural club. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಾಲೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕಲ್ಚರಲ್ ಕ್ಲಬ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡಕ್ಟರಿ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡಕ್ಟರಿ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಗ್ರಾಫ್. ಈ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡಕ್ಟರಿ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಈ ಸ್ಲೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. The paragraph in this slide, okay, is introductory paragraph. So let us see what is given there. Fine. So has a very active cultural club. The club is as old as the college itself. Yeah, from the birth of this college itself, from the beginning of the college itself, this cultural club has been functioning. ಅವಾಗಲಿಂದಲೂ ಇದು ಕಾರ್ಯಪ್ರವೃತ್ತವಾಗಿದೆ. Usually it has the head of the English department as its president. Okay, so ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಈ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಲಬ್ನ ಅಥವಾ ಕಮಿಟಿಯ ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಯಾರಾಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಹೆಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ನ ಮುಖ್ಯಸ್ಥರು ಇದರ ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಎ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಫೈನಲ್ ಇಯರ್ ಈಸ್ ಚೂಸನ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಇಯರ್ ಟು ಬಿ ದ ಸೆಕ್ರೆಟರಿ ಆಫ್ ದ ಕ್ಲಬ್. ಎವ್ರಿ ಇಯರ್ ಎ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಫೈನಲ್ ಇಯರ್ ಈಸ್ ಚೂಸನ್ ಟು ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಸ್ ದ ಸೆಕ್ರೆಟರಿ ಆಫ್ ದ ಕ್ಲಬ್. ಆ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಲಬ್ನ ಅಂದರೆ ಕಲ್ಚರಲ್ ಕ್ಲಬ್ನ ಸೆಕ್ರೆಟರಿ ಕಾರ್ಯದರ್ಶಿ ಆಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷ ಫೈನಲ್ ಇಯರಿಂದ ಒಬ್ಬ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿ ಅಥವಾ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿನಿಯನ್ನು ಆರಿಸಲಾಗುತ್ತೆ. The cultural club organizes many cultural events every year. Okay, ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷ ಕಲ್ಚರಲ್ ಕ್ಲಬ್ ಈವೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಆಚರಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡಕ್ಟರಿ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಗ್ರಾಫ್. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಓಕೆ ಕಲ್ಚರಲ್ ಕ್ಲಬ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್. ಫೈನ್. Second paragraph. So this year the inter-college dance competition Natyanjali was held in the college auditorium. So this year ಯಾವ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ? ನಾಟ್ಯಾಂಜಲಿ ಇಂಟರ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ವೇರ್ ವೆನ್ಯೂ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಹೆಲ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಆಡಿಟೋರಿಯಂ. ಟೈಮ್ 11 AM. Date on 31st May 2021. Okay, the details about the event is given here. So fine, this is inter college dance competition. Then how many colleges participated? ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವು? 20 colleges participated in this competition. Okay, first you told about the date, venue, time, the number of colleges. Then we need judges. Okay, fine. Noted dancers Bharati Sharma, Sonal Pawar and Jagdish Reddy were there in the judgment panel. That means you gave details about judges also. Guest. Now who was the guest? The chief guest for the program was Mrs. Anita Lakshmi P, the district commissioner. Look at this, chief guest ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕೂಡ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ನೀವು. And she spoke briefly on keeping alive The cultural traditions of the nation. ಯಾವುದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅವರು? ಕೀಪಿಂಗ್ ಅಲೈವ್ ದ ಕಲ್ಚರಲ್ ಟ್ರೆಡಿಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ನೇಷನ್, ಈ ವಿಚಾರವಾಗಿ ಅವರು ಮಾತಾಡಿದರು ಚೀಫ್ ಗೆಸ್ಟ್. So since it is a dance competition, so which of the dance performed and who got the prizes? Okay, nodana. The items presented in the solo section. Yeah, solo means okay, so a single person performance. Single person performance, solo dance and ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ. In the solo section included Bharatanatyam, Odissi, Mohiniyattam, and Kuchipudi styles. These styles were included in the solo section. Among the group dances presented were Bhangra, Kai Kutikalai, and the bamboo dance. These are the styles of group dances. So group dance ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಮೂರು ಪ್ರಕಾರದ ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅನ್ನೋರ್ಥದಲ್ಲಿ. Solo dance, group dance, and the types mentioned here. The colorful costumes, sparkling jewelry, vocal and instrumental music had a mesmerizing effect on the audience. Yeah, the effect of the performances. Okay, so it is mesmerizing. ತುಂಬಾ ಅಮೋಘವಾದ ಒಂದು ಮನಮುಟ್ಟುವ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಯಾಕೆ? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಕಲರ್ಫುಲ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ಯೂಮ್ಸ್, ಸ್ಪಾರ್ಕ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಜ್ಯುವೆಲ್ರಿ, ಅಂಡ್ ದ ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್. ಫೈನ್. ಸೊ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮೆನ್ಸಸ್ ವರ್ ಗಿವನ್. ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಯ್ತು. ನೌ ದ ಪ್ರೈಸಸ್. The first prize in the solo section was awarded to Kirti Shri M of the Government Arts College, Chittadurga, for her Odissi performance. Yes, first prize went to Government Arts College, students named Kirti Shri. Okay, which dance? Odissi performance. The second and third prizes went to Shashank and Simran D of VGFG College, Hiriyu, and GFGC Davangere respectively. Second prize Shashank, VGFGC College. Third prize Simran D, GFGC Davangere, Government Federal College, Davangere. ಇವರಿಗೆ ಹೋಯಿತು ಅಂತ. Solo section was over. In the group dance section, the Bhangra group dance presented by SGR College, Hasdurga was judged in the first in its category. Okay, so this Bhangra dance in the group section presented by Hasdurga SGR College. Okay, the first prize, of course, I think only one prize was there in group dance because only 3 categories. So this SGR College from Hasdurga, it was considered as the first in its category. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಥಮ ಬಹುಮಾನ ಹೋಯಿತು ಅನ್ನೋ ಅರ್ಥದಲ್ಲಿ. Right. The function concluded with a short ceremony in which the chief guest gave away the prizes. Yes, there was a ceremony after the dance performances, and the chief guest distributed the prizes to the winners. The president of the cultural club presented bouquets and mementos to the chief guest and the judges. Okay, the president presented mementos, bouquets to the chief guest and the judges. Finally, a vote of thanks was proposed by the secretary of the club. With that, the function ended successfully. Okay, dear students, this is only a model of a report writing of an event that is conducted in your college or institution. ಅಂದರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆದಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಘಟನೆಯ ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ನ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ನ ಒಂದು ಉದಾಹರಣೆ ಇದು. If you feel any other relevant things that can be added in the report, you can add. Okay, ಈ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೂ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ನಾವು ಸೇರಿಸಬಹುದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನ ಸೇರಿಸಿ ಬರಿಬಹುದು. ಅಥವಾ ಇನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಏನಾದರೂ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ, ಅಫ್ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಈವನ್ ದೋ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ನಾಟ್ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ದಟ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಇನ್ ರಿಯಾಲಿಟಿ. ಓಕೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳು ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, so you are so and so of this college, you have conducted in your college this kind of activity or event, write a report on it. And now ಇದನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿರಲಿಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ, ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಹೇಗೆ ಬರೆಯೋದು ಅಂತ you should not think like that. Okay, even though you have conducted that program or not, you have to write a report because the evaluator should know that you know how to write a report. ಅಂದರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಬರೆಯೋದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಎವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಯೇಟರ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಬೇಕು, ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಕಲಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು ಅಂಶ ಅವರ ಗಮನಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಬೇಕು. Okay, so keep all these things while you write a report. Fine, dear students, now let us have learning outcomes of this class. The students have understood the essentials of a report. That means what a report should contain: introductory paragraph, then other paragraphs. Okay, then they are able to write a good report. Now, I hope you are able to write a good report on any event. Now we have reached a multiple choice question slide. The first question is for you. Which is not true about a report writing? Not true. A. It is written in simple language. B. It is written in direct style. C. It is usually written in present tense. D. It is a piece of writing. So which is not true about a report writing? Think about the answer. Okay, then check your answer. It is usually written in present tense. Yeah, this is not true because it is usually written in past tense. Okay, past tense ಬರ್ತೀವಿ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಈವೆಂಟ್ ಆಗೋಗಿರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ past tense. Question number 2. Which is not a type of report? Newspaper report and general report. A. B. Official report. C. Annual report. D. Report of scientific experiments. Not a type of report. Yeah, I think very easy. Yes, dear students, you are right. C. Annual report is not a type of report according to this class. Okay. Excuse me. A report usually consists of one paragraph, three paragraphs, more than one paragraph, not more than one paragraph. Yes, again, easy question to find the answer. And here is the answer. C. More than one paragraph, maybe two or three. Or question number 4. Excuse me, dear students. Pick out the item of dance which was not presented in the solo section. Yes, not presented in the solo section. Not presented in the solo section. You have to pick that item. Bhangra. B. Bharatanatyam. C. Kuchipudi. D. Odissi. Yes, in the report. Yes. So you have found the right answer. That means you have listened to the report very attentively. A. Bhangra was not there in the solo performance. Which performance got the first prize in the solo section? Yeah, solo section, first prize. Kuchipudi, B. Bharatanatyam, C. Mohiniyattam, D. Odissi. Yes, remember. Good. Here is your answer. Odissi. Okay, first prize went to Odissi. Okay, dear students, this book, Practicing Writing Skills, is taken as a reference to prepare this class. Okay, so it is time to thank you for watching this video class attentively, and let me take leave of you. Before that, let me wish you have a good day. And now I will conclude the class.